Thank you all for being here today. City Manager Jeff Jenkins has an update regarding the Wichita Falls Police Department. He will take a few questions after his remarks.
Mic here. All right. All right. Well, good morning. Yesterday, we announced the retirement of Chief Manuel Borrego after more than 4 decades of service to this community. On behalf of all of Wichita Falls, I want to say thank you to Chief Borrego for his remarkable tenure and dedicated service to our community. 44 years is a testament to a Chief Borrego's commitment to Wichita Falls. We are deeply grateful for everything he has done to lead and his work to lay a foundation for the future of the Wichita Falls Police Department. Today, we are outlining the next steps we're taking in positioning the Wichita Falls Police Department for the future. This is a deliberate, forward-looking action. The City of Wichita Falls has retained 21 CP Solutions, a nationally recognized public safety consulting firm, to conduct a comprehensive review of the police department. They are considered one of the most trustworthy and forward-thinking organizations in the country. They have worked with cities across the country facing complex public safety challenges. We have charged them with examining the following: policies and procedures, supervisory practices, use of force standards, training programs, deployment strategies, internal accountability systems, and community engagement practices. Our goal is simple: to ensure the Wichita Falls Police Department is aligned with the best practices, equipped with strong policies and standards, and positioned to keep earning the trust of our community. This is not about reacting to a single moment. It's about strengthening the institution for the long term. The review is expected to span several months, and the community members should expect to hear from them as they do their work. Their findings and recommendations will be provided to city leaders at the conclusion of the process, and we will publish those findings in full on the city website. In the meantime, Deputy Chief Vaughn continues to oversee daily operations, and the department will continue to serve our community without interruption. We will also begin a national search for the next chief of police. We'll have more information on that as the search gets underway, including ways residents can be involved in the process. Our goal is to ensure that the next chief steps into a department with a clear roadmap. This is a deliberate investment in enhancing public safety in Wichita Falls. Specific details of the engagement are still being finalized, and we will update you on the work as we begin. I'll now take a few questions.
You had said something about you wanted to transition on where the department needs to go next. I think that was in your original statement on this. Mm-hmm. Does that imply the department has been in the wrong place?
Right now, we want to make sure we're giving the best services for our residents. We have an obligation to do this, and this is utilizing 21 CP. We're going to do this evaluation to, again, provide the best services as possible. So it's not anything against the police department at all. This is just an evaluation so that we can make sure we have the best services that residents expect.
Chief Borrego said on Thursday that he really wanted to work on training procedures, and then on Monday he's gone. Mm-hmm. When was the decision made that he would leave, and was it a mutual decision between the city and the chief?
This was the chief's decision to retire. He put in 44 years of great service for our community, and he even started, as you mentioned, the process in January to look over some of our policies and procedures, like our mental health policy. So we thank him for his service, and we'll continue to move forward with 21 CP.
Mr. Jenkins, well,
Sure.
was this firm the first and the only one that y'all consider, or were there multiple other firms for these policy review changes?
We've looked at other firms as well. We felt this one was the right fit just because of their experience across the nation and also experience in Texas specifically. So we felt like they were a really good fit to, evaluate all those different areas I mentioned and make sure we're getting the best police department not only now but for the future.
You mentioned that these policy changes that already started. How far did the department get in the review internally, and where does it kind of go from here now with this new firm?
Right now, they're still in the mental health policy. We're using third parties to help us evaluate our processes or procedures and what we have in place, and so it'll take a good at least 30 days continuing to work with those partners to go through those through that particular procedure. Moving ahead, probably 21 CP, probably the next 30 days will be in place here with their team. Probably about 4 to 6 individuals on their team, and they'll start looking at our and evaluating our department, and they have the ability to tailor their to our needs, what we need, and what they find. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they find, and then we can then strategically look at implementation of some of those findings. So.
What specifically prompted the city to initiate this comprehensive review at this time?
Again, it goes back to obligations to our citizens. We want to make sure we have the best police department that they deserve and the best policing services. So with the transition in leadership, we thought this was a good time to also evaluate everything that we have. Chief Borrego did start that process, and this was the next step that we were going to pursue in the process.
And what is the total cost of this engagement, and how is it being funded?
Sure. This is what we look at as a financial investment in our community, in our city. Again, it's an obligation for us to build the best police department not only now but in the future. The cost for it is estimated about $275,000 maximum, and that is in line with what you'll find in most of those evaluations throughout the Texas and throughout the United States. So.
Okay, that concludes our remarks for today.
Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.
We will have more information this afternoon. We'll send a press release out with some more details here shortly. You can also visit the website, wichitafallstx.gov, and go to the home page for the record, and that's where all of this information will be as well. Thank you all.
Appreciate you.
All right. Thanks, y'all.